Hi guys, I'm Angel. So excited to be back here. Yes, I have been gone for a while. We're gonna talk about that today. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you guys everything, all the juicy details. This video is going to address some issues that is very controversial in the YouTube world. You know, is YouTube really passive income? Some people say it's not, some people say it is. I'm gonna give you my personal opinion on this topic today, and I'm gonna share with you numbers, I'm gonna share with you channels, so stay with me, stay tuned. So happy to be back. I'm in my new office, so if you guys want to check out the new house, we did build this house. It'll be on my Angel Grace 2 channel. You guys can always check out the house tour. I share my whole life, so feel free. Let's get started. Okay, first off, what is passive income? Passive income is income that you can generate pretty much while you sleep. I know you hear that a lot, but honestly, you put in one piece of active labor for it, usually up front, and then you just earn and generate off of it passively in the future. And there are tons of ways to make passive income. I personally have a ton of passive income streams, and I'm actually growing them even more as we speak. I love passive income. It's amazing just to be able to make money without doing anything. So this question, is YouTube passive income? We get this a lot, right? This is my answer. My answer is yes and no. Yes and no, and I'm gonna tell you why. No, to begin with, it is not passive when you start. YouTube takes up a lot of work. Initially, it takes up so much energy, so much work, so much time. It is absolutely not passive when you're starting a YouTube channel. But over time, here's the catch, and this is why I say yes and no. Over time, it can become passive income. Once you have a lot of content out there, you have a whole library full. Think of it like a Netflix, where as it runs, there's a license fee and you always get paid. So once it's out there, it's always out there. So once you do have a stockpile of content, you can passively make money without putting out videos. And I'm a personal example because I have 2 channels I'm going to share with you. This one and my lifestyle channel as well. I have not put a video out on this channel in 9 months, nearly a year. So my last video was April 19th, 2022. My last video on my lifestyle channel, Angel Grace 2, was, let me see, April 14th, 2022. So today's date is January 25th, 2023. So it's been nearly a year, 9 months to be exact, since I put out a video on either channel. So I've done no work on my long form videos. I have not put out any long form, which is right now the way I make money on my channels, because we will be able to make money from shorts pretty soon, starting February. That's another subject for another day. But even though I had put shorts on my lifestyle channel, I was not making money from them. This was literally just from my ad revenue videos, my long form videos. So I'm gonna share with you guys how much I've made and if I've made money since I've uploaded 0 videos in 9 months on either channel. Did either one of these channels make money? The answer is yes, they did, and I'm going to tell you exactly how much. Let me pull out the numbers. So let's start with this channel right here, Creators Corner. All right, so I'm going to show it on screen as well. In the last 365 days, I just did the last year first to just show you guys what this channel has made. So in the last year, although I have not uploaded since April, which you will see, I made $2,749.90 from this channel. That was literally mostly all passive. And to give you the exact amount of passive income from the date April 19th, the last day of my last upload, I made from this channel is $2,132.79. So I made over $2 grand from 0 work. 0 work, you guys. I have done no work on this channel. I didn't comment. I was inactive completely on this channel and still made $2 grand. That's passive money. That's money while you sleep. So that is why I say yes and no. You can make money once you get enough content, a library out there. Yes, it can become passive. There you go. Let's go to my lifestyle channel. Same thing for the year. I'll show you guys. I made $4,727.76. That's the past year total, okay? Now, if you also look at the graph, look how consistent the graph is. Although I have not uploaded a video since April of 2022, it's pretty flat graph, right? Usually you see graphs that fall off when you stop making videos, but mine stayed pretty consistent. I started uploading shorts, looked like in July, but even from April to July, I still make consistent money. When you put out good content, you want evergreen content, and that's one little key, little hack hack tip for you guys. Put out evergreen and you can make money all the time even if you don't put out videos. People are still searching my videos even though they're old videos from years ago. And they'll say that in the comments. This is from years ago, but it's still so helpful. That's what you want to do. That's the key. Now, looking at the shorts, I didn't make money from shorts. We don't start making money from shorts until February, which is next month. But my graph is pretty flat. I made money every month, even though I didn't upload 0 long form videos. Now, to give you guys exactly how much I made from April 14th, the last day of my upload, to today, which is January 25th, 2023, I made $3,498.09. So that's another 3.5 grand passively. Again, 3.5 grand passively. This money was straight from ad revenue, not from shorts, just from ads from my old videos. To answer your question, is YouTube passive income? Yes and no. It can become passive. That is my answer. YouTube can become a passive income source. Even if I stop uploading, I'm trying to get back active since, you know, if y'all don't know, I'm pregnant. Whoop, yep, I am. I'm 22.5 weeks. So we're halfway through this pregnancy with baby number 2. We got a house built. So a lot happened this past year. That's why I've been missing in action. And this has been a hard pregnancy. I went through 4 embryos and a whole miscarriage, and I went through a lot. So mentally and personally, I've dealt with a lot this past year or so. That's why you guys did not see me, but I'm back. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'll drop you guys some gems, some helpful content. You know, I try to share what I know with you all. So drop me a comment. Let me know what you would love to learn from me, and hopefully we'll get this ball back rolling again. So thank you guys for joining. Make sure to subscribe, click that like button. I'll see you guys in my next video, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys my growth. And that's from all my social media channels. So if you want to be nosy and see my goals for 2023, what I've accomplished from 2022, I'm going to share that with you guys in the next video. So stay tuned for that.